Welcome, Crow's Cupboard Tribe. This is your Eastern weekly horoscope through the week of April 24th of 2022 for Dog. Dogs are those born 1958, 1970, 1982, 1994, 2006. Dog, at the beginning of the week, you'll see that those more clever than yourself sometimes can control your decisions. I know this infuriates you, but if you want to outwit the sheep, you must appear like one of them. If you want to control your message, you must look very much like a receiver of that message as well. In the middle of the week, people very much like you want to spend their money in the ways they want to, but sometimes must understand the value of sacrifice. You too, dog, must understand the value of sacrifice if you ever expect to get anywhere in your current situation. At the end of the week, you should be feeling very confident because you've reflected back on some fantastic achievements this week. Please don't get ahead of yourself and don't let someone steal your laurel wreath from you. It is important that we recognize our accomplishments must grow incrementally, building upon one another, rather than acting as something that sustains us unendingly without change or improvement. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for your chance to win a free forecasting session with yours truly. And until next week, take care, dog.